Hey guys, welcome back with yet another video. So what we have here is my dad's iPhone 11, and what we're going to be doing with this iPhone is it's fully working. We just are going to clean it because it's really dirty. So if you look here, it's a lot of dust around the camera, and if you look in here, it's just absolutely filthy in the speaker and the charge port. So yeah, we're just going to be cleaning it out. So we're just going to take it out of the case. Ew. Just brush out some dust from the front speaker. And then you can just wipe it away. The left speaker grill. Compressed air. You can see such a difference between the one we just cleaned and then the one that hasn't been cleaned. Anyways, let's move on to the right one. We have loosened up all of the dirt with the brush. We can use our compressed air once again and blow it away. And now for our charge port. Can wipe off the stuff that's on the outside here, and then I'm going to use my tool, which sort of can hook into the sides here and kind of just pull up the dirt. Look at all that. It's a lot of dirt, a lot of lint. See all that dust? That's only like about a few months worth of dust. So that just goes to show how important it is to keep your device clean. So make sure you use things like brushes and compressed air, things like that to really break up the dust that gets in here, so you don't have that buildup. Because if you just wipe it down with a rag, you're not really getting into the crevices. So just make sure to keep your phones clean. And one thing you can't forget is that you gotta clean the case too. If you put your clean phone into a dirty case, it's just gonna get dirty again. So, we have a clean iPhone 11 now. Thanks for watching.